here is how we can convert photos to PDFs on the iPhone. Let me get started, and if you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tips and videos like this one. Actually, there are more ways how you can make it work. At first, I'm going to show you my favorite option and then the other ones. So my favorite way would be to just open up the gallery where you have your photos stored, just like always. And what you have the ability to do is to tap on share like this, and you want to find the print option. It's not like we're actually going to print this photo, but it is going to turn it into a printable PDF, right? So when I click on print like this, you can see that it kind of like converts it into the paper format. And when I click on it, I can actually change it for a different paper size and do whatever, right? So I can change it like that. But the point is that I'm going to click on a share once again. And as you can see, this is a PDF document, which was originated from the photo. So I can save it in the Files app or share it over AirDrop, messages, email, whatever I need. Right, so this is simple and works well without any apps, but it's obviously not ideal. Outside of that, we have more ways how we can technically do this. Then, at this point, we are going to use some kind of third-party app. So if you are good with Photoshop, you can download that and start a new project, import the photo, and export it as the PDF, right? One option would be this. Then we also have the Apple Pages app, which is basically the text editor made by Apple, where we can as well start a new project, import the photo in here, and export the whole thing as PDF. And the last option would be to just open up Safari, try Photos or JPEG to PDF converter, and that's how you can basically get it to work, right? So you just upload that thing and download a PDF, which is, I guess, an option as well. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below about how you would love to do this or which is your most favorite option. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.